How green tea can help with weight loss? In this video, you will understand that thin green tea combined with a balanced diet and a little sport is particularly effective in losing weight. Green tea, especially organic, contains miraculous substances including catechins that change the distribution of fat storage and prevent them from being fixed at the level of the abdominal strap. You follow a balanced diet and you practice regular physical activity. Yet your little belly is still there. However, abdominal fat is not always just a question of weight. Other factors such as hormonal imbalances, water retention or stress can prevent you from losing belly fat. How to remedy this? We have the solution. We unveil the benefits of green tea to lose weight belly. Losing belly with green tea. The benefits of tea have been known for centuries. Its positive effects make Camellia Sinensis, the tea tree, one of the most studied medicinal plants in the world. Zero-calorie drink par excellence. If of course you do not add sugar or honey, green tea is the ally for lasting weight loss. Its assets are numerous. Its consumption allows the reduction of lipid absorption by the stomach and the large intestine. Its bitter chemical compounds help fight cravings for sugar. By stimulating the metabolism, it helps to fight against cellulite and contributes to the hormonal balance. Its moisturizing power is an acid against water retention. It participates in the balance of the intestinal flora. Rich in antioxidant, it helps fight against aging of the body. Choose your green tea to lose weight of the belly. There are more than 1,500 varieties in the world. If your wish is to lose belly, we advise you to consume regularly several kinds of tea that effects complement each other, like for example the gyokuro to fight against the desires of sugar, the bancha for its benefits on the intestinal flora and the benefuki for a detox effect and its antioxidant intake. Remember that stress is also a factor of being overweight. Your daily consumption must become a moment of serenity. Take the time to indulge yourself and find the right combination for you. Choose your green tea to lose belly fat. Drinking green tea to lose weight in the stomach, there are few rules to follow. 1. Do not consume tea at the same time as the meal. 2. Drink a cup 3 to 4 times a day. 3. Do not add sugar. 4. Avoid drinking after 5 p.m. It contains theine, which is a stimulant and can cause problems of falling asleep. Green tea is therefore an excellent ally for reducing overweight and maintaining its ideal weight. In addition to a balanced diet and regular physical activity, the consumption of green tea will help you speed up your fitness. So take advantage of the many options and flavors offered by this magical fat-burning herbal tea. To conclude, we will say that green tea is faithful to its reputation. Fat burner, antioxidant, anti-infectious, green tea is ideal for losing weight and brings real results if you take a sufficient dose. To learn more about how to lose belly fat, please click some links below this video. We really hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you will not miss our next videos. Thank you.